Imagine a future where you don't need to type, touch, or even speak to interact with technology. Your brain is directly connected to AI, allowing thoughts to become actions instantly. Neural implants, once considered pure science fiction, are rapidly becoming a transformative frontier of human evolution. They merge biology with artificial intelligence to enhance memory, restore mobility, and cure neurological disorders. Eventually, they could boost human capabilities far beyond natural limits. In today's video, we explore how cutting-edge brain-computer interface companies are innovating. Innovators like Neuralink are creating ultra-thin brain electrodes that read and write neural signals with unprecedented precision. These advancements enable people with paralysis to control computers, robotic limbs, and even communication systems just by thinking. Other research labs and startups are developing non-invasive neural interfaces and optical neural implants. AI-driven neural decoders interpret complex patterns in real time, opening doors to restoring vision and repairing spinal damage. They could potentially reverse cognitive decline as well. As the technology matures, future versions of neural implants could allow humans to store long-term memories externally. We might download skills the way we install apps or communicate brain-to-brain without words. But this revolution also brings major ethical questions. Who controls the data inside your mind? How do we secure brain-level cybersecurity? What happens when enhanced humans coexist with non-enhanced ones? Despite the risks, the momentum toward human AI integration is accelerating. Breakthroughs in neural signal processing and AI-assisted prosthetics are pushing us closer to a world where the human brain and artificial intelligence operate as one powerful system. By the end of this deep dive, you'll understand how neural implants work and how they're evolving. You'll see what they could mean for healthcare, communication, education, employment, and even human identity. The next decade may redefine what it means to be human itself. If you're excited about this future, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep tech explorations. Don't forget to type yes in the comments if you believe human-AI merging is inevitable.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Keep watching and stay tuned. Bye-bye.